Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm currently on the way to meet with my friend and we're gonna go to Cartier and VCA and I'll take you with me. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel. I have quite a few videos and fine jewelry is my new passion. I also talk about Chanel bags, luxury shopping, fashion and style. I also have travel videos. I talk about beauty products and I have a weekly vlog section on my channel as well. My friend has already tried on 2 necklaces. What do you guys think about these ones? I'm currently considering this ring. I have posted a picture of this ring and the bracelets on my Instagram channel. By the way guys, if you are not subscribed, please feel free. Actually, I think this looks pretty good with my white mother of pearl. I like the contrast and the stack looks quite nice. Or I could actually wear my Cartier Love in the middle. What do you guys think about it? I like the fact that both of these bracelets don't really move. I can secure them and they will not be rolling around, which is a great thing, and that's what I need. Please let me know what you think about this stack in the comment section below. I think this one would look amazing with the Love bracelet in white gold. I'm actually considering getting it. I'm still thinking if this is something I would like to wear 24/7. And this is a VCA holiday pendant. It's only available once a year and every year the color is different. What do you guys think about this one? Do you like it? I also wanted to try on this bracelet. Can you see the diamonds? They are so beautiful, but it's pretty expensive. I tried this one before in one of my videos in a smaller size and I'll try it again to show you how it looks. And here is a small one for comparison. What do you guys think about it? Do you like it? It's still pretty expensive. I quite like the look of it, but I'm not sure if I'm ready to pay this kind of money for such a small bracelet. I might just get the Love in the white gold with diamonds instead. What do you guys think about it? Would you get it? It does look quite classy and elegant and delicate. I don't know, I do like it, but I have to think about it, I guess. My friend wanted me to try on this bracelet. I think it looks quite nice, but I guess I'm not in love with it. I don't know if I would purchase colorful stones like that. I think I will just stick with classics. My friend has recently bought this ring. I showed it in one of my videos, which I will link down below so you guys can check it out. And now she is considering getting earrings and a necklace. I love how Bulgari and Van Cleef look so great together. It looks like it could be one set, but actually they are from different brands. What do you guys think about this necklace? Do you like it? I really love this Cosmos collection. It's so stunning. My friend also tried on 2 rings, this butterfly ring and the flower ring. And if I didn't know this Bulgari ring is actually from a different brand, I would think it's part of the same set. How awesome is that? I decided to try on this Cosmos ring, but I think it doesn't look that great on me. I think the yellow gold looks better on my skin tone. I decided to try on free wall earrings again. I think after I get the biggest size, I will go for this one because it's great for everyday wear. I could wear it to work, I could wear it on a casual day. It's just so convenient. And the big ones would be for special occasions, maybe for casual Fridays, weekends. We are now in Cartier and we wanted to try on this bracelet. I really like it, it's so beautiful. I also tried the other one without the diamonds. I don't think I like it because the screws are actually black. And here 3 of them together with white gold. So stunning. This gold bracelet is just so beautiful. I like the fact that it's so easy to take it off and put it on. It's very convenient. My friend is actually considering getting it and she wants to get the U bracelet that I will show you later. I have to say 3 of them together feel a little bit heavy. Maybe I'm just not used to it because I usually wear one Cartier Love bracelet and then I wear my Justin Clue, but 3 of them, especially the one with the diamonds, feel a little bit heavy. And here again, 2 bracelets, very beautiful. That's how it looks on my friend. I love this combination, so beautiful. So the hand on top belongs to my friend, and she's wearing the U bracelet and the bracelet with the diamonds. And I'm wearing my Cartier Love and the Love in the white gold with diamonds. I have to say the U bracelet or the cuff runs a bit smaller. By the way, we've just realized that we are wearing the same nail polish. It's also red. I wanted to show you the difference between white gold with diamonds and without. So you can see the one on top, it looks a lot darker. It looks quite gray on me, and the one at the bottom is rhodium plated. The bracelets with diamonds can't be polished that much because of the thickness. Therefore, they have to rhodium plate them, which is great because I actually prefer the shinier look. That's why I don't want to buy the bracelet without the diamonds, even though it's a lot cheaper, it's a lot more affordable. But I just don't want it to look gray on me. I think I have to get the one with the diamonds. Also, I've seen one girl wearing the bracelet without the diamonds. I think she has it for about 5 years and it does look quite dull. I was quite concerned about it. It actually doesn't even look like it's made of white gold. It looks like it could be made of silver, which is not a great thing. Maybe she doesn't really look after it and it could be polished and made to look brand new. My friend also tried on the thin bracelet, and I actually think that the thin bracelet looks a lot more elegant. It's so pretty. What do you guys think about it? Do you prefer the thin version or the thick version, which I will show in a second? Here it is again. What do you guys think? I think the bigger bracelet is for special occasions. It's so beautiful, it's so shiny, you can see it a mile away. But I don't think I personally would be able to wear it on a daily basis and feel comfortable with it. Maybe I'm just not used to it, and in a while I would be okay wearing it, but it's just such a special item. What do you guys think? Would you be able to wear it 24/7? I always think about cost per wear, and if I can't wear this bracelet every day, if I have to wear it for some special occasions, it's just gonna become very, very expensive. I can't justify spending this kind of money on an item like that. I don't know, I still think the thinner one is so much more prettier and elegant, and I feel like it can be used a lot more often. These 2 are in the pink gold, and I really like them on my friend, and they match the Bulgari ring perfectly. The bracelet in the white gold is stunning too. I do like this contrast, it's very shiny. What do you guys think about it? Which type do you like the most? Do you prefer the white gold, pink gold, or the yellow gold? And do you like bracelets with diamonds? Let me know in the comment section below. I was also asked to try on this bracelet. It's quite big. Okay, I like it, but I think I prefer it on guys. To be honest, it's very edgy, but I prefer more feminine bracelets on me personally. You guys also asked me to try on the new design. Okay, what do I think about it? I hope I won't offend anyone, but I don't feel it at all. It just doesn't even look like Cartier. It looks like it could be some, I don't know, something cheap from maybe some jewelry from H&M. I just don't feel it at all, and I have to say this one is a little bit too big on me. The store didn't even have my size because they got sold out so fast. But I really don't like it. I wouldn't be purchasing it. And I have to say, this bracelet is not cheap at all. I would rather stick to classics. This is it, guys. I hope that you like my video. Please let me know if you have any questions, and do consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.